The Pro 510XL is an entry-level CB radio but with above-average quality within its category. Compact, simple, and straight to the point, it has become one of the most popular models in the world, mainly because it delivers consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. Visually, it's a discrete radio with a clean and functional front panel. It features volume control, squelch adjustment to reduce noise, a channel selector, and an LED signal meter that indicates both reception and transmission strength. On the technical side, the Pro 510XL operates with a dual conversion superheterodyne system, providing more stable reception and good interference rejection. Its sensitivity is approximately zero point 0.5 microvolts, allowing it to pick up relatively weak signals efficiently within its operating range. It covers the standard 40 CB channels, using AM modulation and output power within the typical limits of this category. Another important feature is the ANL, a noise reduction system that is especially useful in automotive environments. In addition, it includes an external speaker connection and a front microphone input, making installation and daily use more convenient. The Pro 510XL began production in the late 1980s, and over time it went through changes in manufacturing while maintaining the same core concept. The units considered the most classic and robust were manufactured in the Philippines from the late 1980s through the mid-2000s. After that, production moved to China following the evolution of the electronics industry. Today, newer models sold by Uniden are manufactured in Vietnam. Despite all these changes, one thing has remained the same: the concept of a simple, reliable radio that just works. And that is likely what keeps the Pro 510XL relevant even today. If you've used this radio before or still use it, leave a comment and share your experience. And if you enjoy this kind of CB radio content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because there's always more coming.